Pro tip number 3 to be in the stellar you in 2020 and beyond: how to set yourself up for an awesome decade. Now this one is get specific, and it comes from our friends over at Social Happiness. During an interview with Kevin, he shared with us that getting specific on his goals is what really is the game changer for him, and I cannot agree more. The more specific you are, the more control you have, the more you are in the driver's seat to get where you want to go. So for example, Kevin asked me, what are my goals for the next 3 months in 2020? And I told him that I want to do 5 more events just like the Stellar You 2020 and beyond that is coming up January 11th. There are still a few more early bird tickets left, so don't miss out. 5 more events like that event here in Gran Canaria. I want to have between 20 and 30 people. I'm going to have them in different points in the island, all public spaces. I want outdoors, and I want to make sure that I offer something that's going to be fun, exciting, and new to the people here on the island. So having that in mind, I know exactly what I need to do to get there. I know if I'm a little bit off track, how to get back on track, and I'm in the driver's seat. So make it specific and be stellar in 2020 and beyond.